Bossi Fedrigotti Teroldego.
Teroldego Bossi Fedrigotti. You know, Raffaele, my family, Bossi Fedrigotti, have been here in this area of Trentino for about 600 years. And we've been interested in grape growing and winemaking for over 300. And in the course of those years, we obviously have met Teroldego, which is the main icon of the autochthonous Trentino varieties. And I think we've learned to make it very well.
Definitely, definitely. Look at this nice color, very intense, quite dark, with a nice rim, still young on the rim. And on the nose you have a lot of berries, especially wild berries. But the palate is quite powerful, very intense and rich. At the same time it's very smooth and gentle. And with an interesting length, actually. How do you pair it with food?
It goes well with serious food. Poultry, game birds, red meats, spicy cheeses. That's where Teroldego will really give its best.
Enjoy.